Oh, cool. I can hardly wait to tell Mommy what I wanted to do this morning. Hey, where is she? Oh, that's right. She went exercising this morning. It's on the weekend and she goes exercising so much. And one of these times, I think I'm gonna make some videos of that. She's lost a lot of weight over the last 10 months. I think 35 pounds. And it's all because she's doing some exercising and proper eating. And we'll talk to her one of these times about all that. Maybe she can show us some exercises she does at the gym and stuff. But that's not what this video is about. What is this anyways? Looks like a battery of some sort. Ring. Have you ever thought about getting one of these? Here's the battery for one. See? And the little seeing eye is right in here. And the good thing about this is when it runs down, you just recharge this. You pull it out and plug it in. Here's the little thing they gave us. See, it's got just the little end, and you plug that in there, and you can plug this into the wall. If you don't have something you can plug into there, you can take your little adapter and plug that directly into the wall. And we did that, and this is all charged now. I've got to put this back in, and they actually have a very small little screw with a certain type of end, and they give you this little screwdriver. It kind of looks like a Phillips head screwdriver, but it's not. It's almost like a star, see? And so anytime it gets low, and there's an app on Mommy's phone that she's got for this, and it tells her when the battery's low. Can you believe that? I mean, I'm not all into all that kind of stuff. I let Mommy take care of all that. And let's get this unlocked. And we've got it right here. I'm just gonna put this back in, and then I'll talk to you briefly about the ring and why we ended up getting it. Hey, okay. I guess that means it's starting to pull that down. You push on that and pull down. Now I've got to put the cap back on. I have not done this before, but it should be. I mean, I took it off, and okay, I guess I just have to get it up in there. Tricky part is not to lose the little dinky screw here. Come on. I wanted to talk to you about this, but I mean, this is what you're going to have to go through if you buy one of these. Okay, there. Okay. Let's talk about this ring really quick. Now, initially, when we talked to the guy about this, see, here's our location of where the actual doorbell is, okay? And we decided, you know, you could put this right where the doorbell is, okay? But see how low it is, and then it takes where this bell button is, doorbell button is, it kind of comes sideways from the door. We want it so that we can see people coming in from further than just at the door. Now, if this was up here, we could have just taken this out, and then they say you can hook up the ring directly right here where the doorbell is. And the good thing about that is then you can have the ring connected to your actual doorbell chime inside. Okay? And I asked the guy, I says, well, if it's not hooked up directly to the doorbell, can it work with this? if you hit the ring instead of the doorbell. Because now when somebody comes up, they can either hit this, okay? But if they hit the ring, that's not going to happen. It'll make that noise instead. Okay? Now that noise doesn't ring on the doorbell chime. Now, if this doorbell chime was a computerized one, then you might be able to get your ring connected to this. Well, that wasn't. When you heard that, it actually, we hear it inside by this. We had to buy this extra, of course. It didn't come with it, okay? And that'll ring. And we thought, okay, how is that going to ring, by the way? Well, that thing doesn't ring there. You have to buy, yes, everything you want to do with the ring, you have to buy extra things. So see, first they sold us this little thing here, and it's got the the little antenna there. You plug that in, and it rings right there. And then for extra, on top of that, you can buy other ringers. So we bought that other box, put it down there, and we also put one downstairs, so that if somebody's downstairs, you can hear it. Okay? And so that is all controlled by this. Now, if you didn't have those other things, you'd only hear the ring there because it's not hooked up to the actual doorbell. So I'm like, how cheesy is that? How are you supposed to hear the ring inside if you don't buy those extra boxes? Okay, so buy the extra boxes, and so that's all fine and dandy. And we're like, okay, we want to see this area right in here. But lots of times when guys come here, we've got a gate out there, and lots of times when UPS comes, they just come on the gate and they reach over and drop the package over there, and they don't open up the gate, walk over here. So now we can't see anybody from here on out to the gate. So we're like, okay, how are we going to fix that? Well, Ring has that covered for you too. Of course they do. Let's see what they sold us. They sold us this little thing here. That one there. And of course it's all wireless and all that. You do see a wire up there, and I'll explain that in a minute. Okay? And that sees everybody that comes to the front of our area, okay? Beyond the gate. And then once we had it set up, Momi was seeing people driving by, cars and stuff, and it's like, is this thing gonna have to go off every single time a car drives by or somebody walks by our house walking their dog or something? And I'm like, you gotta have them come out here and reprogram that and redo it. Well, she got on her cell phone and went to the app, and then you can adjust how far this goes out. So she made it so it only adjusted just beyond the gate, okay? And we were like, well, what happens, because that's wireless, what happens with that? How do we run that? Well, you can get a battery backup for that. And they said, I forget how long that battery lasted, 6 months or something, before you have to take it apart and charge it and all this kind of junk. And we were like, I don't want to have to do that. And they said, well, we can put this other thing on there. And so what this thing is over here, they installed that, and that hits the sun. It's a little solar panel, and then that feeds the power to that. So we should never have to worry about that. So Ring's got you covered on that as well. Okay, and the other thing that cracks me up, that's, oh yeah, you can install it yourself. It's so nice and easy. You just go down to the store and you get it and you put it in, you screw it and call it good and blah de blah de blah. We got one. It wasn't exactly like this. It was one that we got at the store, and after reading the directions, I'm like, I'm not sure how this is all going to go back together and stuff. And so what did we end up doing? I think we had somebody come out here. Yes, we had somebody come out here. I'm going to lock this. I didn't even know this button was there before. That keeps this door locked. I always thought I had to come over here and unlock it a different way, you know. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and lock that. We had somebody come in here before, and I'll talk about that. I'll make a different video on that, on our TV system. This TV is on a mount. We had somebody come in here and they fit it right in here, and this is old school. This unit, they don't really build these anymore like this in houses because it's not really set up for a flat screen, is it? This house was built in 2001, analog TVs. You remember the big square ones you could get after a while, where they had something in there, and they had all their stuff in here, record player and all this other kind of stuff, and the old owners, the previous owners, took all that stuff with them, and we had a little flat screen TV that was set down on a stand here. We couldn't hook up the surround sound. We had the boxes from the previous owner left those, and then there's speakers in all the different rooms. You got little speakers, not for the TV, but for music and stuff, and they've got these that you control at each room where the speakers are. Really good system, but we didn't know how to get it hooked up. So who did we call? Hey, we called Best Buy, and they came out here, and as they were talking about this whole system, what they could do for us, we were telling them about our you know, can they put a camera out here for us so we can see people? And oh yeah, we can do that. We can hook up the Ring for you. And so they came out and they installed the Ring system for us, and they talked to us about it, and they explained to us how it worked and everything. So if you don't want to go through the hassles of installing the Ring system and all the do's and don'ts and all the stuff having to do with it, and you're not quite sure if you want it installed where your old doorbell is. And look how low the doorbell is, by the way. See how low it is? I don't even know if that's standard. I'm thinking standard is up in here somewhere, but for some reason they put it down low. And after talking to them and going through all the different options that we had, we decided to put it up here, leave this doorbell alone, so we got either or. And they installed the whole thing for us. It didn't really cost that much for them to do it either. Okay, so quick and dirty video about the Ring system and the doorbells and how we had to buy that stuff and all that kind of stuff. So think about that next time you want to install maybe a video camera or something to see who's out there, who's banging on your door, who's looking at your door. Because look at these nice doors. First off, these doors, they don't have a little seeing eye here, like one of the little eyeball things, you know. They could have installed one of those. Now we don't really have to do that. I feel comfortable knowing who's at the door, if it's ringing. We can look out here, we can look at it on the phone, we can see who's coming up to our door when we're not at home, stealing our packages or doing whatever, okay? It's kind of a nice thing to have, and it doesn't really cost that much. So think about the Ring. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos. And I think next time I'll make a quick video of our new TV system. Whew. I'm glad that's over with. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to show you next, but I'll find something.